Can we change narratives in this country? Yes. And you can change it. A country cannot depend its future on a diminishing asset called oil. The country with the biggest oil reserve today is Venezuela. $23 trillion worth of oil. Yes, it's a collapsed country. Even in America, where you have huge oil in Texas. Texas is not the richest state in America. Texas GDP is 1.4 trillion with a per capita of 38. California without oil is 2.6 trillion with a per capita of over 50. New York, it was the sixth. And you can go on and on. Who is talking about oil today? That's the diminishing asset. When people are talking about intellectual economy, we're talking about baggage economy. That baggage shouldn't be our problem.